Hello, everyone. Hello to all our friends around the world. Welcome to our podcast, Survival English Abroad. My name is Maria. I am your teacher, and I am so happy to be here today.
And hello from me too. I am Jack. I am a student and I am learning English with Maria. I am a bit nervous today, Maria.
Don't be nervous, Jack. Why do you feel that way?
Because meeting new people is hard. Speaking English is hard. I don't want to make mistakes when I say hello.
Mistakes are okay, Jack. Mistakes help you learn. Today, we are going to learn how to introduce yourself. We will use very simple words. We will speak very, very slowly. By the end of this episode, you will feel like a pro. Are you ready?
Okay, I am ready. Let's do it.
Great. First, let's talk about greetings. A greeting is what you say when you first see someone. Jack, what is the most common word?
I know this one. It is hello.
Exactly. Hello. Let's practice the sound. Listen to me. Hello. Now you, Jack.
Hello.
Perfect. You can also say hi. It is shorter and very friendly. Hi.
Hi.
Now, let's imagine we are at a party or a meeting. The next step is your name. I say, my name is Maria.
My name is Jack.
Good. Sometimes we speak fast and say, my name's. Can you hear the difference? My name is becomes my name's. Try that, Jack.
My name's Jack.
Excellent. Another way is to say, I am. For example, I am Maria.
I am Jack. Or I'm Jack?
Yes, I'm Jack is perfect. Now let's try to ask the other person. We say, what is your name?
What is your name?
Very clear. Let's try a small conversation. I will start. Hello, my name is Maria. What is your name?
Hi, Maria. I am Jack. Nice to meet you.
Oh, Jack, you used the magic phrase. Nice to meet you. Listen to that, everyone. Nice to meet you. It means I am happy to meet you.
Nice to meet you. It is a very kind thing to say, right?
Yes, it is very polite. Now, Jack, let's talk about where we live or where we were born. We call this origin. I say, I am from Italy. Jack, try to say your country.
I from Brazil.
Oh, wait, you missed a tiny word. Remember the word am. You must say, I am from Brazil.
Okay. I am from Brazil.
Much better. Let's practice that again. I am from Italy.
I am from Brazil.
Now, ask me the question. The question is, where are you from?
Where are you from?
I am from Italy. Now, listeners, it is your turn. I will ask you, and you answer out loud. Ready? Where are you from? Pause for 5 seconds. I hope you said your country.
I hope so too. Maria, sometimes people ask about my city. How do I say that?
Good question. You can say, I am from Brazil, from Sao Paulo. You say the country first, then the city, or just the city.
Okay. I am from Brazil, from Sao Paulo.
Perfect. Now let's move to jobs. What do you do every day? I am a teacher. T-E-A-C-H-E-R. Teacher. Jack, what about you?
I am a student.
Very good. I am a student. Notice we use the word a. I am a teacher. You are a student. What if you are a doctor?
I am a doctor.
Yes. What if you work in an office?
I am a office worker.
Almost. Because office starts with an O, we say an. I am an office worker.
I am an office worker. That is tricky.
It is, but don't worry. People will understand you even if you forget a or an. Now, let's learn a new question. Instead of asking, "What is your job?" people often ask, "What do you do?"
What do you do?
That sounds like the same word twice.
It is. What do you do? It means, what is your job? Let's practice. Jack, what do you do?
I am a student. Maria, what do you do?
I am a teacher. Great job. Now let's try to introduce a third person. Imagine I have a friend with me. Her name is Sarah. I say, "This is Sarah. She is from England. She is a doctor."
So for a girl, we say she.
Yes, she is. S-H-E. She is. And for a man?
We say he is.
Exactly. He is. Let's practice. Jack, imagine a friend named Paulo from Brazil. He is a driver. Introduce him.
Okay. This is Paulo. He from Brazil. He is driver.
Wait, let's fix the am, is, are again. Say, he is from Brazil. He is a driver.
Okay. He is from Brazil. He is a driver.
Perfect. You are getting better every minute. Now let's do a listening practice. Listen to this short story and try to understand the name, the country, and the job. Hello, my name is Alex. I am from Canada. I am an engineer. Nice to meet you.
Okay, I heard it. The name is Alex, he is from Canada, and he is an engineer.
Perfect, Jack. You have a very good ear for English. Now let's do one more for the listeners. Hi, everyone. This is my friend, Yuki. She is from Japan. She is a chef. She cooks great food.
Yuki, Japan, chef. I love Japanese food.
Me too. Now let's practice spelling. Sometimes people don't know how to spell your name. They ask, "How do you spell that?"
How do you spell that?
Yes, my name is Maria. M-A-R-I-A. Jack, how do you spell your name?
J-A-C-K.
Very good. Listeners, try to spell your name out loud right now. Pause. Great. This is very helpful at hotels or airports.
Maria, can we try one big conversation now? Everything together?
Yes, let's do a speaking practice. I will be a stranger at a coffee shop. You start, Jack.
Okay. Hi, my name is Jack. What is your name?
Hello, Jack. My name is Maria. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from, Maria?
I am from Italy. And you?
I am from Brazil. What do you do?
I am a teacher. What about you?
I am a student.
That was amazing. You didn't make any mistakes. How do you feel?
I feel confident. I feel happy.
That is the goal. English is a tool to make friends. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be clear.
Clear is better than perfect. I like that.
Let's do a final review for everyone. Please repeat after us.
Hello.
Pause. My name is... Pause.
I am from.
Pause. I am a... Pause.
Nice to meet you.
Wonderful. You all did a great job today. Remember, practice every day. Say these sentences when you wake up. Say them to your dog. Say them in the shower.
Maria, my dog doesn't speak English.
That's okay. He is a good listener.
Thank you, Maria. This was fun.
You're welcome, Jack. To our listeners, thank you for joining us. Subscribe to our podcast for more simple English lessons.
See you next time. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.